Good day, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to teach you on how you can change your captain in Fantasy Premier League. So for that, open your PL application on your device, log into your specific account, click on the Fantasy button from the bottom right, which is between latest and season. Now select Pick Team option from the top. You'll be taken to this kind of page where you need to select the player you wish to make the captain. I'm going to choose Matthews. Now check the box of captain and you'll be done. You can see the alphabet C in this box right here, which is indicating that Matthews is a captain. You can do the same for the vice captain as well. I'm going to choose Rogers. And here, check the box of vice captain and you'll be done. So the V and the C letter will indicate that they are now your captain and vice captain. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.